Hi, I'm Anshita. Today we will talk about how to pin your important channels in Microsoft Teams. You might be wondering what pin channels are. So, pin channels are the channels you work with most often and they appear at the top of your list under pinned area for quick access. So I'm going to show you how you can create your customized pin area in Microsoft Teams. For that you need to go to your Teams. To pin your important channels, you need to go to your channels first that you want to pin. I want to pin this channel. I'll select on this three dot. I'll select pin and now you can see that the channel is appearing in pinned area. So this is how you can pin your most important channels in pinned area for quick access. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, you can subscribe to Foetron Academy channel.